Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have external hard drive like this or this, and you have pen drive or SD card like this. Sometimes someone are deleting important data of yours, or you by mistakenly delete important files, videos or images. So how to recover information using TenorShare platform are introducing 4DDIG data recovery software. Using the software, you can very easily recover any external devices data very easily. Where is available, I will provide you detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So simply first of all, you open the Google, type here 4DDIG Mac data recovery, click here. Even I already added this link in video description. The software available Windows and Mac as well. I have in Mac. Click here free download. Download size is very small. After complete this download, you just simply click twice and simply drag and drop the software like this. I already installed the software. This is the process. You can very easily install the software. And if you want buy the software, subscription related information, which one you suitable, accordingly you should purchase. I just simply open here software for DDIG. Here is the software. After installation, the software framework like this, I get the premium subscription. So now I just simply connect here my external hard drive using C2C cable, and if I connect here, so my external hard drive is automatically visible from this frame. You can see here. So look at this here. This is my external hard drive, ScanDix, totally free. If I open here Finder, just only one folder is this, and if I show it to you, so this is the totally format, capacity 1 TB and available 1 TB. Now question come, if you want restore some of the data, so how you do it? Just simply select this one. So here bunch of option is available: hard drive, SD card, camera recovery, also specialized data, here cloud, different files also available, like a file repair, file clean, data clean or Mac install already available. Just simply select here hard drive and which types of data you want to recover in this particular hard drive, like a photo, video, documents, other or audio. So I just simply select here photos, documents, and just simply scan here, recover 140 54 data photos. So here is the photo, such a photo you can recover. Look at this here. As it is, the process is going on advanced search, so some data here automatically recover and displaying here one by one very easily like this. If you open this one, so you can very easily check this data as a visible format as well. So such content you can very easily find out and restore the data. So this is the data showing here. The process is going on, depend upon how much data previously available on this particular external hard drive. Depend upon, you need to spend here around half an hour, how much data you want to recover and how much data you have in this particular external hard drive, and you just wait couple of minutes and afterwards very easily recover the data. Or if you want recover the specific data, so like suppose for example such photo is completed, so this I just simply select this photos here. So you can consider this entire data is recovered, and afterwards how you can save this data, you just simply select all of them here, or specific photos you should select and click here recover where you want save this data. So I just simply select here my external hard drive, local one or cloud, and save now, and the process is going on for the recover process. So after complete the 100%, afterwards you should apply this process. And no matter for this condition which types of external hard drive you have, so you can apply the same process for any types of external hard drive, pen drive or tiny SD card as well. So same process. So look at this here, I selected 9 files and already recover. If I open here, so such a folder is displaying photos, JPG, and boom. Afterward, I just simply click here one of the picture randomly, and boom, look at this here, all clarity and all pixel exactly I'm receiving as I deleted or someone or format this information. If I search or get the info, so I captured this photo in my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So size is a 2.3 MB. So using this process, you can very easily restore data, no matter images, audio, video, or other data, using Tenorshare for DDIG data recovery software. I already add a link in video description. If you have any question related on this software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.